If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are very excited because we are making another YouTube video, and today it's BLT waffles or chaffles, but I'm going to make them dairy free, so they're not really a chaffle. A chaffle is a cheese and egg waffle. Chaffle, got it? And remember, if you share these videos with your friends, I have a whole garage filled with all of my books that I need to get rid of. So I'm giving away, bless you, all of my books to all of you who share them. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook. But I love this. Look how cute this is, Micah. This is our little waffle maker. Ba-ching! So I'm going to grease this with duck fat spray, or Micah can. Micah can spray that on the top and the bottom. There we go. There we go. So keep that closed. Make sure it's hot, hot, hot. Oh my gosh, I don't have a bowl. Let's get a bowl to mix this on up with. So Micah, we're going to put a cup of our favorite pork rinds, pork panko, into this bowl. So you put the cup of that in there. Good job, my friend. And we need 1 egg cracked into there. 1 egg. And this is the finished product. BLT waffles. There we go. And can you mix that up? Meanwhile, I have my Butcher Box bacon that doesn't have any sugar. It's really hard to find bacon without sugar. And I'm going to make little zigzags on this parchment. I always line my pans with parchment because cleanup is so much easier. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees when I'm making bacon, and it cooks for about 15 minutes, and you get nice crispy bacon. I like mine crispy. Do you like crispy bacon or chewy?
Crispy.
Crispy?
Yeah.
He really likes venison bacon, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So I have 6 pieces of bacon going in because I want to make extra, and it looks just like this, and that's going to go into the oven. And ta-da, we have some finished bacon already. So I'm going to open this up. How's that going? We're going to add, how's that going? Mix, 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 mix. Maybe I added a little bit too much. We're going to add 1 more egg, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to make 4 waffles with that. Okay, so mix that up real good. So don't fill this completely full because it will expand. They will expand. They'll get bigger. You want me to help you out?
I got it.
You got it. He's got it, my friend. I'll grab a spatula, make things easier. I'm going to help you out just a little bit to get this going. Or can make a mess just like that. I'll just blame it on you when Dad sees it, right? Just kidding. So I'm going to open this up and put about 1/4 of it in. And spread it all around in your little chaffle maker. I think this was $9 on Amazon. Really fun investment. And I'm going to close that up and let that cook for about 2 minutes while I prepare everything else. So what I'm going to do is I have my Primal Kitchen mayo, and that's going to spread on. Did you grab a knife? Here we go. Here's our knife. And we're going to spread some mayo on there. And we have some tomatoes and lettuce. Yeah. Can you rip a few pieces of lettuce off of that head while I wash my hands? Fun, fun, fun. There we go. Awesome. So if you want to do dairy, what you would do is use Cabot because I love extra sharp cheddar cheese. And you're going to use about a cup of cheese with 1 egg, and then you mix that together. I packed my pork rinds pretty tight in there. So 1 cup of packed pork rinds would be 2 eggs.
Okay.
That's perfect. I'm actually going to just rip all that off. We won't waste it. There we go. And you know what? BLTs in the summertime, there's nothing else like it. There's a community garden by us. And they have like all different heirloom types of, they're like purple, right? And yellow and all these cool different colors. But I just want to show you what this looks like when it's finished. Maybe I'll put it on this plate. Let's see. It's getting there. So there's one. And we're going to put another one on there. You could respray it, but it's pretty greasy already. And here's another one. Yeah, we'll get 4 out of that. So close that up. Meanwhile, I will spread some of my mayo, my Primal Kitchen mayo, onto the chaffle. Add some lettuce. Put some tomato on there. The tomatoes look kind of sad here at the grocery store right now. And then we'll top it with another chaffle. And there are your dairy-free BLT chaffles. We hope that you like this video and share it with your friends. You can win a book. Mahalo.
Bye.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your